Welcome. In previous video we learned Scapy introduction and understanding of TCP or IP. Let's open up terminal and type Scapy space -h. Here you can see that basic usage scapy.py options -c session file -c new startup file and so on. Type Scapy. Notice the symbol that is greater than prompt. This indicates that the Scapy is in interactive mode. All commands after this will be Scapy commands and will be interpreted by the Scapy interpreter. Type conf. Scapy reveals its configuration file. When we type conf in, we'll work with this configuration file in Scapy. Let's create a packet. The beauty of Scapy is its ability to custom build any packet you can imagine. Generally, the TCP or IP stack of your OS will build RFC compliant packet whenever you want to communicate over the internet. As a hacker, we often want to create a custom or unique packet that may not be RFC compliant for the purposes of gathering information on our target, or possibly creating a DOS condition by creating a packet that causes the target system to crash. Let's start by creating a simple IP packet. First, declare a variable that represents your packet and then define the packet attributes one by one. So here we define our packet as X and then give X multiple attributes. Let's begin by defining X as an IP packet with a TTL of 64. Type X is equal to IP TTL equals to 64. Here I have created the variable X and defined it as an IP packet with a time to live of 64. Type X variable. It is responding with the value of X. IP time to live equals to 64. Let's add some additional attribute to this variable X, such as source and destination IP address. The syntax is similar to Wireshark or TCP dump. We learned this in earlier videos. Represent the source IP attribute with x.src and destination IP attribute with x.dst. Type x.src source addresses. Let's open another terminal. Type ifconfig. Here you can see that my IP address as 192.168.154.246. Copied 8. Paste our IP address here. Here you can see that source address is set. Now I'm going to set destination address as 216.58.197.46. Type x.dst equals to 216.58.197.46. Let's check this by now tapping the variable X. Here you can see that we have created a packet with TTL equals to 64. Source IP is 192.168.154.246. Destination IP is 216.58.197.46. Scapy has large number of built-in functions. We can list these functions. Type lsc. Have displayed the first of these functions above and the last of these functions. Let's use it to send the packet we created above called X that has attribute of TTL equals to 64. Source IP is 192.168.154.246. Destination IP is 216.58.197.46. When you send this packet, it will go to the destination IP address and will have a limit of 64 hops, that is TTL equals to 64. Type send X. You can see our specially crafted packet X was sent to destination IP address. We can use Scapy to craft a packet with just about any value in any of the IP header or TCP header field, such as window size, flags, fragmentation field, acknowledgement files, sequence number, etc. So that's it in this video on Scapy to perform layer 2 discovery in Linux part 2. Thank you for watching this video.